Who are The Living Tombstone? The Living Tombstone are an American electronic rock band started in 2011 by Yoav Landau. Much of the band's early work was a part of the online Brony community, creating fan songs for the show. One of the first popular singles by The Living Tombstone was the song Discord, garnering 85 million views on YouTube. Yoav continued creating music, branching out to multiple fandoms. Eventually, he hit it big with the release of the band's most popular song, Five Nights at Freddy's, titled after the game of the same name in 2016. While the band started as a solo act, in 2017, Yoav brought on fellow producer Sam Haft as the band's main vocalist. Together, they released the band's most popular original single, My Ordinary Life. The duo continued creating music in their usual style for a few years. In 2018, work began on their first original album. For this album, the duo created a group of characters for the band. Yoav and Sam's personas are the digital synth player 01 and the punkish vocalist Rust, respectively. While the band primarily works as a duo, during live performances, three other musicians play the roles of the other band members. Orko Cohen as the strong and silent lead guitarist Armstrong, Guy Burnfield as the mad scientist bass guitarist Tesla, and Maxime Colley as the ancient magician drummer Doc. The band's first album, titled 01, focuses on the internal struggles with identity and desire from the perspective of the character 01.
Lost the plot and so I play it again. Needing a friend, needing an end. A creep to defend, proceed another level to battle a devil. Combating several enemies with the anatomy of a rebel.
For the next few years, the band worked on various small projects for TV shows and games. Eventually, in 2025, they released the album Rust, focused on the external pressures of society and how they affect the character Rust's identity.
The facts spread like cracks on a sea of this green. Everybody's saying the Rust.
Today, the band continues to work on new projects and collaborations, sticking to its root in the online community.